beautiful people. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me here today. I'm super excited to share with you my latest venture that I'm about to embark on. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, in case we have not met, I'm Heather, and I'm so excited that you've joined me here today. Who is this person, and why should I be listening to her? Well, like I said, I'm Heather, and I'm super passionate about learning new things, challenging myself, and helping other people. And I want to take you on a new journey with me about building another business and another income stream. And I want you to do it with me. So are you ready? I've spent the last 8 months or so really honing in on my skills as an online marketer, helping other people. And now I want to get back to the affiliate marketing piece of business, because quite honestly, if you're alive actually and breathing, you should be an affiliate marketer. And I want to do this from scratch with you. So anyone with any skills could say, I want to be an affiliate marketer. I want to have an online business. Show me how. So we're going to do it together. You ready? First and foremost, I want to provide a value to all of you. My aim is to create informative, educational, and fun information to help you make informed decisions about affiliate marketing and the products that you may use in your business. I want to be your go-to resource for all things related to the products to run your business and promote, possibly. So I'm going to provide product reviews, tutorials, and sharing my personal experiences on the products that I love and use on a daily basis. So what can you expect from my channel? You're going to get honest, real reviews, whether I like something, what I don't like about something, helpful tips and tricks to help you in your business. Sometimes I'll have affiliate links for you to share, and sometimes I'll just be sharing good old-fashioned, free, valuable information to help you make informed choices to grow your business. And I'm going to guide you through the process, ensuring that you make the best possible decisions for your business every step of the way. And finally, before we go, I of course want to ask for your support. If you find this information helpful, please be sure to follow and ring that bell so you get notified every time I go live. And if you know of someone that needs extra income and may be interested in affiliate marketing, I invite you and encourage you to invite them to watch my channel. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.